Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for your support, and to my new audience, thank you for stopping by. In today's tutorial, we want to learn how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. What we need is our pattern paper, measuring tape, scissors, marker, your straight ruler and your curve ruler. So the first thing you will do, as you can see, is to draw a starting point on your pattern paper. Then I will divide my pattern paper into two with a straight line, which will represent my grain line. This is my grain line. So this represents my sleeve cap. So this is my sleeve cap. The next thing is for me to determine the length of the sleeve. I'm making a long sleeve, so the length will be 22 inches. So I will mark my 22 inches here. So I will draw a straight line. That is my sleeve length. So after drawing my sleeve length, I will determine my bicep. So bicep is the biggest part of your arm. Measure from your sleeve cap to the biggest part of your arm, which is your bicep. So the one I'm working with is 6 inches. So I'll draw a straight line. And that is my bicep level. And the next thing is to determine my elbow line. Measure from your bicep level to your sleeve length. Then whatever measurement you have, you divide it by 2. When you divide it by 2, like the one I have here is 16. When I divide 16 by 2, I have 8. So 8 minus 1 gives me 7. So I will measure my 7 from here to where I have 7 inches. And that will represent my elbow line. So the next thing will be for me to, this is my elbow level, and this is my wrist level. So I will measure around my wrist. Whatever measurement I have, I will divide it by 2. I will put 1 here and I'll put 1 here. So now I will impute my wrist measurement. The wrist I'm working with is 8 inches. So when I divide 8 into 2, the reason for dividing into 2 is for the back and for the front sleeve. So I will take this to be my back sleeve. This will be my front. So when I divide 8 by 2, it gives me 4. So I will impute my 4 inches here. And I'll impute 4 inches here as well, making it 8 inches. Then the next thing is for me to impute my bicep measurement. You measure around your bicep, which is the biggest part of your arm. Whatever measurement you have, you divide it into 2, which is for the back sleeve and for the front sleeve. The one I'm working with is 13.5 inches. So when I divide 13.5 inches, I have 6.75. So I impute my 6.75 on both sides of the sleeve. So I will connect it from here to the wrist and this side as well. Can you see the sleeve is forming already? So let's work on the upper part of the sleeve. So now I will connect from this point to this point, and I'll connect it to the other side of the sleeve. Can you see how beautiful it looks already? So now I will measure this line from here to here. Then whatever measurement I have, I will divide it by 4. That I have here is 9 inches. So I'll divide 9 by 4. So when I divide 9 by 4, it gives me 2.25. So I will mark 2.25. I will do same for this other side. It's 9 as well. So I will mark the same 2.25. So we'll call these points A. I'll call here B, call here my C, I'll call here my D point, call here E, I'll call here F. So let's start from the left hand side. On my point D, I will mark 5/8 outside. Then on my point E, the second point on the left, I'm mark 2/8 still outside the sleeve. So on my point F, I will mark 3/8 the inside. Can you see? Then coming to the right side, the first point, which is my point A, I will mark 6/8 outside in the sleeve. Then I will mark 2/8 on the second point, which is my point B, still outside. Then on my point C, I will mark inside, the same way we did for the other one. The measurement will be 4/8. Can you see? Then I will use my ruler to connect the points. To make sure it touches all the points. Then when it comes here, can you see how I turn my ruler? Then I'll connect it. I'll do same for this other side. Can you see? This is our sleeve, back, front. So I will add my sewing allowance at 0.25 all through. So on here, I'm going to add half of an inch. So this is basically how to draft your basic sleeve. So let's cut the pattern. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be first to be notified. Bye bye. See you on our next tutorial.